Good morning, student. How are you? Fine. I think you are fine, and what I given to you that you have studied well. As you know that earlier that the chapter was going on inside of the earth. The chapter is earlier going on. In that chapter, now we come to the topic rock cycle. Earlier I have told that igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. Now I will tell you that about the rock cycle. How the one rock changes into another rock and another rock changes into the previous rock. These rock cycle how it is going on that I will tell you today. Now we come to the topic that rock cycle. What is rock cycle? When the one type of rock changes to the another type of rock under certain condition in a cyclic manner. In a cyclic manner, this process of transformation of rock from one टू अनदर दैट इज कॉल्ड द रॉक साइकिल. जब एक रॉक दूसरे रॉक में चेंज होती है कुछ सर्टन कंडीशंस में टेम्परेचर में तो वह प्रोसेस क्या कहलाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द रॉक साइकिल. यू नो दैट अर्लियर दैट वाई आई टोल्ड अबाउट द igneous rocks that when the molten magma cools and it solidifies it convert into the igneous rocks, and when these igneous rocks are broken down into the smaller particles that are transported and deposited to form the sedimentary rocks. And when these igneous sedimentary rocks are subjected to a heat and pressure, when it is given the heat and pressure in a certain condition, they changes into the metamorphic rocks. And the metamorphic rocks are again which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form the molten magma. This molten magma again cool and solidified into the igneous rocks. This process, the whole process is going on in a cyclic manner. That is called the rock cycle. That is called the rock cycle. Means what I told, igneous rocks are converted into the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are converted into the metamorphic rocks. And metamorphic rocks again converted into the molten magma. This whole process is going on. This process is called the rock cycle. So to understand the rock cycle, first you understand previous what I told that igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. You studied well. Then you understand this rock cycle. Okay. Now we come to the topic that volcano. And the topic is the volcano. What is volcano? Volcano is an opening in the crust of the earth through which the material from the interior of the earth is ejected into the surface. Volcano is the opening in the crust of the earth. अर्थ के ऊपर जो ओपनिंग होती है उसके थ्रू ये क्रस्ट के ऊपर ओपनिंग होती है थ्रू विच द मटेरियल फ्रॉम द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, जिसमें से कि जो इंटीरियर अर्थ के अंदर से मटेरियल निकलता है कहाँ आता है सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. दिस इज कॉल्ड द वॉल्कनो. एंड द नैरो ओपनिंग ऑफ वॉल्कनो इज कॉल्ड वेंट. Narrow opening of the volcano is called vent, and the upper part of the vent is often is a cup or a shape depression is called the volcano. Okay, this much only today I will tell to you. Revise the rock cycle, make the notes, do the homework properly, and show me at the moment. Okay, thank you.